Hi guys, welcome to Amber's Bakery. And also I have some customers over there and I'm gonna bake this chocolate cake. So first the instruction. Step 1, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius and 350 Fahrenheit, and line an 8-inch cake pan with parchment paper and set aside.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, do it.
Okay, mommy's gonna do it for grown-ups, okay?
Yeah, and I'm gonna check on the customer.
Okay.
Okay, if you're bored, you can get a place to read, or maybe have some chocolates over here.
And then, what's the other sentence here after the preheat?
Step 2.
No, this one after the preheat.
You need to line an 8-inch cake pan with parchment paper and set aside.
Okay, so this is your
This is mine.
cake pan.
Cake pan.
And you line it with parchment paper.
And I'll line it. Put it inside.
Okay, and then let's put this on the sides.
Let's put this inside. And guess what? The customers told me that they were bored and I gave them a book just like they asked.
Good job. Okay, this is done. You set it aside on the chair, please. It's okay, we'll fix that later. Okay, next, step number 2.
Step number 2. In a large mixing bowl, add your dry ingredients and mix well.
Okay, this is your
This is mine.
mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl, and I have a whisk.
And then
A green whisk! Wow, this is beautiful.
yeah, we're gonna add the dry ingredients. So, the dry ingredients are, the first one is flour. Is it dry or wet? Is it solid or liquid?
Solid.
Solid, okay.
Let's
We're gonna add it. We're gonna measure your flour.
that.
1 and 1/2. So that's it. This one, okay? Sugar.
1 cup sugar. And mix well.
Mix until,
And mix until a smooth batter remains.
okay, mix it, hold it properly.
Who's gonna win? Solid or liquid?
Who's gonna win? You're mixing the solid and the liquid?
Yeah. I hear something.
Yeah, what's that?
the liquid, it thinks that it's gonna win.
The liquid's gonna win.
Yeah, look how much it has.
Yeah. The liquid, later the liquid is gonna turn into
Solid.
solid. Solid what?
Solid cake.
Solid cake. Good job.
Let's see what happened to the cake back there.
Okay. It was liquid and now
It's a solid. Smells so good. Do you smell that, customers?
smells so good.
Yes.
What happened to the liquid?
It turned into a solid. Wow, that's so yummy.
Okay, excuse me.
Smells so good. And also, guess what? Does the cake look like it already has some chocolate frosting on it?
Yeah, it looks like that because it looks shiny.
It's shiny. So I'm gonna check the temperature of the cake and see if it's hot or cold.
Okay, what are you gonna use?
The sense of touch.
Yeah, good job. What do you think?
Warm.
Warm.
I think this is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, because I eat warm stuff too.
Oh, okay.
We're going to check if the cake is yummy.
Okay. What's the color of the cake?
Brown.
What sense organ did you use so that you will know the color of the cake?
My eyes.
Good job. And then time to
Taste it. Taste it. And I have some frosting. And this is not frosting, this is just a sticky part. Well, got a big slice. Slice that in half. Slice another one to half. Pacha!
How does it taste?
Mmm!
Yummy. How does it taste? Sweet, bitter, sour?
Sweet.
Sweet. Time to cook.
Now let's count the pieces of the cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, half bar, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
35. Good job. And then can
Wait,
you
it's actually 34 because there's no more bar over here.
It's not a full one.
Mhm.
It's okay then. Can you count the tiny bars?
Tiny
How
bar.
many tiny bars are there?
How many?
The smallest ones.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay. And the rest of them are big. How many big bars can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's it.
4? So, which one is greater?
The big bars.
the big bars. The big bars. There are more big bars than the small bars
Yeah.
because the big bars are 4 and then the small bars are 3.
Mhm.
So 4 is
Greater.
greater than
3.
Yay, good job.